I guess I want to do a quick unboxing of Aliexpress ring light, or actually it's more like a square light that I ordered. Let's check the unboxing and early impressions and just a quick hands-on. I'm not going to do a big test now, but just check it out, what's the build quality, etc. So you can check if it's worth the buy for you guys. I will add a link to the description with my affiliate code. If I get few pennies, it would be nice from Aliexpress, but I have never got any, and just testing the affiliate links out. I haven't used them that much, just testing out. Anyway, this is the back, so you can see some kind of a scratch. It's packed in this bubble wrap, a nice color, but at least it has some extra bubble wrap. I just ordered this like really quickly. It cost like 20 euros, 24 euros I think. I think it was on sale, so I think it might be over 50, but I'm not sure what's the real price. Anyway, this is the box. There was an option. There's the temperature to 2500 kelvins to 8500 kelvins. There was also an RGB version, but I felt that I didn't need RGBs that much, so I just a normal key light, and that was idea for some videos. So here's what in the package. Here's just instructions. Here I think this is for the phone to attach. It's kind of a spring, so it tightens up your phone. You can attach there. Then you have a USB-C charging cable, maybe 40 centimeters, I'm not sure. Anyway, let's check this out. Actually feels quite heavy. There you can attach the phone clip. I can attach it. Plastic is quite cheap feel, but seems okay. This I'm not sure that. This is, yeah, if you want to use this as a stand. So you can put this on a table. Yep, actually quite good. And here's also, you can add this to your mounts or tripods. Actually here also, so you can put it on portrait or landscape depending on your need. No, of course, but you can, yeah, only, of course, this you can just tilt like this. I think this should have a battery. Oh, so yeah, it's with a battery. So, but you can charge it here. Let's see. Dim. Really bright. And then you have a different, I think, temperature. You can switch the temperature, warm, or yeah. So basically you have a temperature and then how bright. Seems it's pretty. And now I can take off actually my current light. I can show you guys. I'm using just I'm using this kind of Godox light at the moment. Let's take that off and just put it around here. You can see now it's around, it's not placed very well, but you can see now use it as the ring light. Then there's a blue. This is more of a softer. I think it's quite natural. I think this is now 100%. This is the minimum light. Full light, I think it's great, quite soft light. Let's put something shiny. You can see, of course, this. It shines, but I bought this for example, I want to do some drawing videos, so I will test this out, that how will this work when you draw, you get a better light. I think it's much better from the ring light that I have, like a cheaper demo ring light that I have. And the idea was that you could, like in the pictures, you can put the phone here and then kind of carry with this one, and at the same time film, so you have also a moving ring light that you can kind of carry with you. So that was quite interesting way of using, and this feels quite robust. And actually, yeah, one option here also, here in the upper edge you have 3 slots. I will put some light on, extra light, so you can see here's extra slots. Let's put a little bit not so heavy. So basically I also want to test out that you can attach here extra lights, so then you would have like double. Of course now I haven't checked all the temperatures etc, but you can have this kind of setup also with your extra smaller lights, or have maybe color here, and normally you can test it out different kind of situations with the lighting. But that is actually also a nice option. This, but anyway, I feel that the build quality is seems pretty good. Anyway, you can charge it here with USB-C, which is nice. And just a sec, I put this back on the light here, and I feel that let's check out, does the charging work? No, it charges, and you can use it while charging, which is nice. So Type-C charging port, reduce the color, increase the color, dimming color, and switch off. Phone clip, desktop support, legs have, and universal hot shoe mount. Those are the details. This feels, I think for the price, I'm pretty happy with it. But I will start testing it out more, and maybe if there's any interest for longer like use review or anything else, please like and subscribe and let me know in the comments. And also, if you decide to buy this, please use my affiliate code. It would be amazing. I just tested out like first time, and for the end let's make a peel off. Nice. Anyway, that's the quick hands-on with this device. Handheld ring light. That's the name for this. But thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.